Kia ora. So a quick instructional video on how to provide evidence of your booster. If you go to mycovidrecord.health.nz and log in, thus, and then scrolling down, you can see the record of your shots. What we need you to do, so your name is on there, is hit the down arrow on each of the shots, and thus you can see your name is therefore provided. Then we need a snip of that. So if you hit Control minus and reduce your screen, let's see, that should about do it. There we go. And using your snipping tool, take a snip of that with your name and your shots, right click, copy, and then paste that into an email to your line manager. Cool. Any questions, sing out. Cheers.